فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
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 الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله، وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له، وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. My dear respected brothers and sisters in Islam, I welcome you once again to Colorado Muslims Fiqh Council. يسألونك, they ask you, question and answer session. Brothers and sisters in Islam, we received a question from brother Mohammad from Dallas, Texas. He's asking regarding home mortgage again, and in particular he wants to know the institutions and the ruling regarding them who claim to be Sharia sanctioned financial institutions with regard to home mortgage. Brothers and sisters in Islam, we know for a fact that these institutions get their funds from non-Muslim institutions, from conventional banks. We know that, and I know that, and everyone knows that. And they pay interest to these institutions. That's the bottom line. This is straightforward answer, my dear respected brothers and sisters in Islam. They are just in the business of making money. And I'm not being general here. There are maybe one or two institutions which are not like that, but they are local. I know one of them, and I don't want to use any names here, one of them in California, but it's local. Other than that, no. We know for a fact that they themselves, they go and they obtain that money which they will give you through the conventional means of obtaining a loan, and themselves they pay interest, conventional mortgage. But they somehow end up tweak it for you, and they make it look Islamic on the front. In spite of this, yet their contracts still have a lot of defects Islamically. Even the most lenient body of jurists in the United States of America, when they tell you go and deal with them, they tell you go and deal with them if you have to, if you're driven by necessity, which is again the fiqh rule, الضرورات تبيح المحظورات. Necessities make permissible the unlawful. But what is the definition of a necessity? What is the definition of a darura in Islam? مظنة الهلكة, that he cannot find a house to live in. You still can rent, brother Muhammad. You still can rent. Yes, I understand that taxes are not tolerant with those who rent. Who cares? I want to buy Jannah, man. I want to pay for Jannah. Wouldn't you like to pay to see Rasulullah, to see Ibrahim, to see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? ألا إن سلعة الله غالية. Indeed, the commodity of Allah is expensive. ألا إن سلعة الله هي الجنة. The commodity of Allah is al-Jannah. Wouldn't you like to lose some money in this world in order to get Jannah? Come on, brothers. Come on, sisters. Don't just settle for less here. And I want to tell you something. If we all go with these halfway solutions, we will not find a solution for this problem in the United States of America, in Canada. Rather, if we stick to insisting on owning our homes according to the religion of Islam, inshallah, like we found solutions for having dhabiha meat because we insisted on it. we will find solutions for this as well. جزاكم الله خيرا. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك والحمد لله رب العالمين.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن